Awa, ko unga waka ki uta. Time to cook our world famous secret ikamata recipe. Suok's just finishing the fillet. Our fish of choice today is ara. What's the English word? Trevally.
Oh, yeah. That's the one.
So, trevally ikamata. Our ingredients are red onion, spring onion, tomato, kapikama, lemon, salt, and our coconut cream, we've chosen kara. First thing you do, lemon in the bowl. Why you add lemon is it cooks the fish. Hey.
High acid.
Yeah. Nice, man.
Sorry, man.
Welcome to science class, partner.
Oh.
I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. So it's been sitting in the lemon for 25 minutes. That should cook it. We're gonna just add the kai first. We add onions.
I think we had.
We add that first.
Yeah.
I added in just so the lemon cooks the onions.
Nice.
Oh yeah. This is when you add the salt. Oh, how good. And then we add your vegetables. Is tomato a vegetable? Fruit? Nah,
I think
that's
that's the one fruit.
kapikama. Is that a vegetable?
vegetable.
Spring onion. Oh, look at that, man. And there. You ready for the Sunday flea markets, man? You want to taste this?
Yeah. Chewing gum. Holy. Oh.
Do you have it? Trevally ikamata. All gear no idea style.